Now my dough has nicely proved and is risen, we can now get out and roll it into the shape we need. So we're going to need a bit of flour on the work surface and put our dough in the middle of that flour. Then get ourselves our rolling pin. We want to be moving it around at all times and to make a circular pizza base, or if you want a rectangle or a different shape one, you can work that a different way. I'm going to make a round one for you today. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it out all the way one way and then all the way back the other way. Very important now, we make sure we keep turning our dough. Turn it over, make sure it's not sticking to the work surface. I'm now going to roll it the other way, so all the way that way, all the way that way. Flip it over again. So keeping on moving it round and round. So I'm going to create a nice round shape. So rolling out into the four corners, keeping the shape nice and round. There we have a nice round thin pizza dough. There we have it, we have a nice rounded shape pizza dough, ready for toppings and for eating.